Hey friends, welcome back to Rentio Toor Dal Recipes and I'm Chef Shivani Mehta. A one recipe which has been made by all regions of India, that is dal fry. Dal fry is a delicious lentil recipe popular in India made with tur dal, onion, tomatoes and spices. Relish this mouth-watering creamy lentil dish along with roti, naan or your favorite steamed rice. So let's start cooking.
Like a shift in the flow, a change coming, it's inevitable. In a paradise, we can work it out and see the hard times fading. In the sunrise, we can flee the night. Paradise, we can work it out and see the hard times fading. In the sunrise, we can flee the night, flee the night. Like a shift in the flow, a change coming, it's inevitable. In a paradise, we can work it out and see the hard times fading. In the sunrise, we can flee the night. In a paradise, we can work it out and see the hard times fading. In the sunrise, we can flee the night, flee the night. In a paradise.
I know you liked it a lot and you are going to make this recipe in today's dinner only. So please try this recipe and let us know how did you liked it. And don't forget that we love to read your comments on our recipe. Also, please don't forget to share our pages with your friends and family. Thank you for watching us.